Global markets are going through a phase of high volatility and unexpected developments. At the center of attention are 4 key stories that reflect current global trends. AI startup Perplexity has unexpectedly offered Google $34.5 billion for the Chrome browser. This could solve Google's antitrust woes as a US court considers a forced browser sale. Apple is developing a home companion robot and a new smart hub. Siri will get a major overhaul running on advanced LLMs for more human-like interaction. Add new smart cameras and the upcoming charismatic operating system. Investors are already responding. Apple shares are on the rise. Major companies are moving billions into Ethereum. Bitmain holds more than 1.15 million Ethereum and plans further growth. ETH just hit its highest since 2021 at 4,530. Forecasts asset tokenization at 100T with Ethereum as the main platform. Ahead of the Trump-Putin summit in Alaska, investors are cautious, but S&P 500 keeps rising. Key focus: potential solution to the Ukraine conflict and impact on oil markets. Brent is holding near $66, gold is stable, and the dollar is strengthening. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss valuable videos and stay updated on the latest events. With us, you'll become more confident and successful in finance. You can also open a demo or live account using the link in the video description or in our profile. See you next time.